Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a retail AI agent that can detect products and brands as well as emotion and sentiment from any kind of input, whether it's video, planograms, e-commerce. Let's do it. So the number one thing I want to do is build a workflow in BEM. The starting node will be an analyze node. Analyze lets you understand images, video, and more. I'm going to call this Universal Product Analyzer. And I already have a schema that I want to use that I'm going to show you. But essentially, I want to know what the brand is that is visible on packaging or logo, as well as any visual attributes. Is there any, is it in the shelf, checkout? Is it someone's home? What is the position of the product, as well as sentiment? And I'm going to also, on top of this, I want to enrich all of this data with my own data. So I actually have created a collection of SKUs. This is great for inventory reconciliation and others. And I'm going to show you right now what these are. So I've created a list of SKUs with brands and products that I can use in any workflows or functions. So I'm going to add an enrich node called brands and SKUs. I'm going to call this demo so that it doesn't collide with any other functions I have. And in this step, I'm going to say, well, use my demo collection that I've created. And for source field, I'm going to use the visual identity of every product. And I want this to be injected in the visual identity enriched from DB. You can keep a collection hydrated with your own database or a table or an Airtable or anything of that sort. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop all of these files to the test, and we're going to see what ends up looking like. So you'll see I'm sending PDFs, PNGs, JPEG, as well as MP4 files with user-generated content. And it's already out. So for this review of an Allbirds tree dashers, this is from some blog. It's understood that not only you can see the two steps that I have here, right? One is, hey, we've identified that it's Allbirds tree dashers, running shoes, overall vibe mixed with positive, as well as positive remarks, as well as pain points. Here's the enrichment. So you can actually enrich with your own SKUs and data. You could create a scraper to understand e-commerce intelligence. This is a full screenshot of Allbirds' retail website right now for, I think it's Men, the latest releases. So you can actually start enriching it with your own. You can do this for competitive intelligence around e-commerce. This is a planogram. The crazy thing is that the same schema that is useful for something like product detection on someone's video is also very helpful when looking at a planogram. And so this is a planogram that I found online of Frito-Lays. So essentially just chips and candy. You can see that we've done two steps. First, understand what are the entities involved, and then enrich it. So we understand clearly that this is the SKU involved. You can feed it literally a PDF with a planogram. And onto the most fun, this is user-generated content. So we can see here that this is someone's video shopping at Target. We have understood what are the different products as well as shopping cart. So you can see here how we've identified the brands of lotions, hand sanitizers, eyelashes, Elf Halo Glow liquid filter. And so you can use this to understand it very well with video, which we just released. So all in all, this is now production ready. You can take this entire workflow and call it from within your own product. So we give you code examples just as you're building a workflow. So if you make a call to this workflow, we will run these two steps in sequence automatically. And that's really it. With this, you can create agents for e-commerce intelligence, competitive retail intelligence, planogram and compliance, and more. Check it out at bem.ai and ping us, DM us if you have any questions. We would love to help.